Hey Steve, this is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. I spoke with Shar and she told me that you would be the one most interested in watching this video. So I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I just want to go through your site really quickly, go through one of your competitors' sites, and then I'm actually going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in some more traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out with all of this free info, but often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. But without further ado, let's get into it. And so here I am on your homepage, which it does look like there was some time or some money spent on this. It does look pretty professional. However, there is not a lot of content on this homepage. And so you want to have at least 1,000 to 1,500 words on this homepage. Google is going to be ranking your site based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. I did a word counter search, and you guys actually have 441 words on this homepage. And so we would definitely want to add in some more content on here. And we also want to make sure that content is quality educational content. Google is going to send out their bots, and they are going to crawl through the site and determine whether or not the content on it will help Google's users find the information or the services that they're looking for. And in addition to having the appropriate amount of content, we also want to make sure that content has the appropriate amount of keywords in it, high volume keywords, so that we can get you ranked for all of the right things. And so over here, I've jumped onto Google. The keyword I will be using for the sake of today's video is water damage Grand Rapids. This is a great keyword. It brings in 100 searches per month. So if you were to convert just a few of those into customers every month, you'd be doing really well for just one keyword. And so beneath the search bar typically is where we're going to see Google ads. There aren't any popping up right now, but Google ads are a great way to build some brand recognition and get your name out there, especially while you are waiting for your SEO to warm up. However, if they are done incorrectly, you can definitely waste a lot of money on them. But if they're done correctly, they are a great way to get things moving quickly. And so underneath where the ads typically would be now here at the top, this is our Google Map Pack. And so the Google Map Pack is a great spot to be in if you make it to one of these top 3 spots, gets you to the top of the first page. And in order to make it into one of these top 3 spots, you have to have a lot of citations. And so a citation is just when your business is listed on an online directory. So think Yelp or Yellow Pages or Yext. Those are all good examples of online directories that people use and trust a lot. And so you definitely want to be on more of those directories, get more citations than these 3 businesses are right here. And so now I've scrolled down and I've made it to the organic search results. So this should definitely be your main area of focus. It's definitely going to be the best return on investment long term. This is because Google has actually come out and said that over 70% of people, when they type something in, they are going to click on one of these organic search results. And they're almost always going to click on one towards the top of the first page. So you definitely want to be up here. And so this is the first company page that comes up for this keyword. And so we can scroll through and you can see that they have some more content than you have at the moment. However, they only have 797 words on here. I did a word counter search on them as well. So they don't even have the bare minimum for Google standards. So that means it would be extremely easy to beat them out content-wise. In addition to having good content, you also need to have a lot of high-powered backlinks. And so a backlink is just a shout out from another website. And you want to get these shout outs, backlinks from high-powered and relevant websites. So if a local plumbing company or real estate agent were to give you a backlink from their website, that would be a really good way to bring your website some more power. And so over here, I've jumped onto Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a really great tool. If you guys ever try and bring this in-house, I highly recommend trying this tool out. It is a little pricey. It costs me around $350 per month to use it, but it does give me a lot of great information. So I typed in the competitor that we were just looking at, and I can see they have 728 backlinks. from 136 different domains and are ranking organically for 1,800 keywords. And so I can actually take a look and see which keywords those are. I want to make sure I'm looking from the American point of view. And so over here, as you can see, it lists all the different keywords, how many people search for that keyword every month, what position they hold for that keyword on Google, and how much traffic it brings them. And so we want to go through and find the keywords that are preferably location specific, have a lot of buyers' intent, and bring in a lot of volume and traffic. So now I am going to go back and I can do the same exact thing that I did with the keywords with their backlinks. And so I want to be able to incorporate the best backlinks like I would incorporate the best organic keywords. And so they have 728 backlinks, or here it says 621 backlinks. So that is, a decent amount of backlinks. It's definitely not super hard to beat, but we don't want to just beat them out with the quantity. We want to beat them out with the quality as well. And so we can go through here and see which backlinks have a high DR domain rating, and we can see which ones we can snag for your site. We can look at other competitors and take some backlinks from them and then find some on our own as well. So really quickly before I wrap this up, I pulled up your site on Ahrefs as well. And so you guys, according to this, have 798 backlinks from 102 different domains and are ranking organically for 121 keywords. And so they're definitely ranking for more keywords than you are, but you do have more backlinks than they do. So we would definitely want to go through and make sure that all of the backlinks you have are quality backlinks, because some backlinks can be spammy and they can actually hurt your site more than help. But let's just take a quick look and see which keywords you are ranking for right now. So right away we can see a lot of these have your company name in them. So if someone wasn't looking for you directly, it would be harder for them to find you. So it seems like you guys are ranking decently well for roofing. We can definitely go through here and add in some more keywords with other services that you provide and optimize the backlinks that you're using now. And so to recap what we talked about today is, number one, we want to add in some more quality educational content with the appropriate high volume keywords. Number two, we want to get you some more citations to get you ranked on the map pack. And then number three, we want more high powered relevant backlinks, and we want to make sure that all the backlinks you have are quality backlinks. So that's what I have for today. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this and got something out of it. If you are interested in learning more, please reach out to me. You can email me back or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you.